Hi grade 8, this is the second video. In this video we are going to make something new and we are going to continue from where we stopped, okay? Again, first we are going to open a text document and start an HTML code, and in this sheet, or in this practical sheet, the second one, we are going to make a simple thing, but it's new and a little bit tricky, okay? We are going to make a form that contains one text box and one button, okay? And when we click on this button, this alert appears. And this alert will appear when we click on the click me button, okay? Also, if the number inside the text box is 50 or more. So in this code we are going to write, or we are going to use the if statement, okay? As you can see here, these are the steps: make a form, make a text box for total, make a button and name it click me, use JavaScript to make the message success appears when you click on the click me button, okay? And the number inside the text box is 50 or more. Let's see how to do this. Okay, as you can see here, the basic things: HTML header, title, body, and close the body and HTML. Inside here we are going to make the form first, form, and here in this video we are going to know why the form is important, okay? It's very important in this code, okay? Form, and we are going to name this form, name equal form 1, okay? Form 1. We are going to name it form 1. Then we are going to make that text box and the button. How to do this? Text box, input type equal text, okay? And we are going also to name this text box, okay? This is new also. Name equal text 1, okay? As you can see here. So we made a form and name it form 1. We made a text box and name it text 1. Also, we are going to make a button, okay? Input type equal button, okay? And we are going to name this button the name that will appear, value equal click me. As you can see here, this is the name that will appear on the button, click me, okay? Okay, click me. We learned the last video that if we want to make a message when we click on the button, we need to make a statement called on click, as you can see here. And we have to make a function to be able to do that. The function, as we called, we need to give it a name. We will put the message inside it. Then we are going to put the name of the function in here. For example, we are going to name this function total, okay? Like this, okay? So that when we click on the button click me, the message inside the function that's called total will appear, okay? Thank you. Then we are going to make the function, but the new thing in here that we want to use an if statement, so that the number inside the text box, if it's 50 or more, the message will appear, will be success, okay? How to do this? First, we are going to make a script, as I said before, script, okay? Then we are going to make a function, and we are going to call it total, as you can see in here, and this brackets. Inside the function, we are going to make the if statement. If in form 1 dot the text box 1, text 1, we call it text 1, okay, the value greater than or equal 50, okay, alert success, okay, like this. So in this we are telling the computer that the number that the user is going to enter, 50, 60, 70, 55, anything, in the form 1 inside the text box that's called text 1, if this value is greater than or equal 50, give out the message alert, this message alert which called success, okay. So if the value that the user enters 50 or greater, the user will enter it in text 1, the text box that's called text 1, and the form that's called form 1, print out success, give the message success, okay. Then in here we are going to close the form, okay, and now we are finished. But wait, first we didn't close the script tag, okay, as you can see here. So first we made a form and call it form 1, and a text box and call it text 1, make a button, okay, and the name of the button, the name that appears on the button, click me, and when we click on this button, this function will happen, okay, this function will happen, the function that's called total, okay, will happen. Inside the function we made an if statement in form 1, the text box 1, text 1, if the value is 50 or more, print out the message or give the message success. This is it, okay. So now let's save and see what will happen, okay. Save as total code HTML, save, yes, because I did it before, and in here let's try, okay. As you can see here, 40, click me, nothing happens, okay. But 60, click me, success, okay. 55, click me, success. As you can see in here, the code is done, and thank you for listening. Please try it at home, it will be so much fun, okay. Thank you.